Welcome to today's video. Let's head over to Solidworks and then you try this drawing. Once inside, we'll head over to the front plane and then we'll sketch. Let's create a midpoint construction line like this, and then let's create another one like this. Okay, so we can just make this vertical and then you're done. To start with the circle, let's create the two circles. Then we dimension them. The inside circle has a diameter of 30 and the outside one has a diameter of 50. And then we'll proceed to create the slot on the right hand side. We'll create our first slot, which has a length of 15 like this. Then we'll dimension this from here to here is 15, and then also it has a radius of 7. We'll then create another slot, another straight slot inside from this point to this point, and then we'll draw it out, and then this has a radius of 12. Once we are done, let's let's draw another slot, a center point arc slot. Then we'll stand at this center, and then we'll bring out the radius like this. Okay. So we'll draw it out like this to an angle of 40, around 40, and then we'll draw it out. Let's first dimension it. It has a radius of 45. Okay, let's clean that. So we check over here, then you can see that we have an angle of 45. Let's offset this. And how much are we going to offset? We'll offset this with just 5, with just 9. That's going to be a distance of, let's make it 4. Okay, this is radius 5. Then offset this to 4. Then you see you have your radius 9 over here. Next up, what just happened? Okay, sorry. So next up, we're going to use a perimeter circle to draw this thing over here. Select those two edges. Then we'll dimension this. sorry, this has a radius of 30, so a diameter of 60. And then we'll try again with a 3-point arc. So with a 3-point arc, you click on this end, and then you click on this end also, and then you release. After that, you make sure that it is tangent to the lines that they are touching. If it's not, you have to add a relation. So you come here, then you add a relation to this, and then this, and then make the relation tangent. Then you do the same also for the other end with this and this, these two, and then you make them tangent also. Trim this edge, and then you trim the slot entity you drew. Accept this, and then you trim all the slot entities inside like this. And then like this. And then after that, the distance from the center to over here is 55. And you can see that the dimensions have shifted. The last part we'll be adding will be this radius over here, which is 45. And then once we add that, we'll have our complete figure over here. So this drawing is underdefined, and it's not advisable to leave it that way. As you can see down here, it's underdefined on the status bar. So let's fully define the sketch. We'll right click in the graphics area, and then we'll click on fully define sketch. So let's select some of these entities, and then you calculate and see if they can help us fully define. After calculating, our drawing is still underdefined, but I think there's a point here. Okay, so now it's fully defined, and we can compare with the original drawing. That is that. Okay, so we need to add another one over here. So let's offset this to get that figure. Head over to offset entities, then offset this by 4. Let's check if it's 4. It's 5. Now we have our drawing fully defined, and it's as simple as that.